Hi, I'm Chef Silvio, and I've been making for you bacon and mozzarella stuffed meatballs. This is a great item to serve for dinner. You drop the meatballs in the sauce, let them soak in there, and serve it with the pasta. The meatballs, you get like two pounds of fresh ground beef, 3 eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Sprinkle a little parsley in there, a couple of spoons of Parmigiano cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and just to mix all together really well. And then with the easy way is to get an ice cream scoop and scoop one ball out and roll in your hand with a little bit of oil and open up a little hole in the middle, and you stick in the mozzarella and the bacon, and then you close it and you roll it up really good. When it's perfectly closed, you just put on the sheet pan, and it goes in the oven for about 400 degrees in regular oven, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. This is a nice item. Number one, because it's nice and soft, because it's got the mozzarella inside, and the other thing is that it's something that from little kids to adult, everybody loves them.